sparkly Play-Doh. Let's go, friends! The first number that we're gonna make is the number 20. What color should I pick? Do you want to pick the color? Yes. Let's pick it. What color are you gonna choose? This one. Red? Does it pick the color red for the 20?
Yay! Good.
This is the number 20. This is the number 21. Awesome! What color am I gonna pick? This is the color pink. Wow, it's so pretty and it's my favorite color. I'm gonna use my tool, the roller. This is the number 21 in sparkly pink.
Awesome!
This is the number 22, but we need 2 and 2. I'm going to pick the color orange to make my 22. Wow, it has orange sparkles too.
Fantastic!
I'm going to use my roller to roll the Play-Doh. This is the number 22 in sparkly orange. Number 23. We need a 2 and a 3. And then what color are you gonna choose? Yellow. This is the color sparkly yellow. Wow. Looks. Didn't use this tool to take it out. Okay. Good job, Good job. Whoa, where'd it go? Thank you. Wow, beep, beep, beep. Wait, I saw some more. There's one more. There's some more. Here we go. This is the number 23 in sparkly yellow. Let's count our numbers that we have. 20, 21, 22, 23. Let's count from 20 to 30. Are you ready? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30! Hit the subscribe down below and hit the like button. To watch more videos with me, Armine, and my sister Adina. Now let's get back to making those numbers. This is the number 24. We need a 2 and a 4 to make 24.
Wow.
Now we get to pick 2 colors. I'm going to choose purple and teal. I'm going to use the purple to make my 2. To make my 4. This is the number 24 in sparkly purple and sparkly teal. Number 25. We need a 2 and a 5 to make 25. We're going to use dark blue and light pink. We're going to use the color blue to make the number 2. Color pink to make the number 5. This is the number 25 and we use blue and we use sparkly pink. Let's count them one more time. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We need 5 more to get to 30. Can you guess the next number? It is the number 20. Because we need 2 colors to make the number 26. Meeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger on the toe. If you wanna let it go. Meeny, meeny, miny, mo. Meeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger on the toe. If you wanna let it go. Meeny, meeny, miny, mo. Black! We got blue and black. We're going to use the black color to make the number 2. Baby blue to make our number 6. The number 26 and black and sparkly baby blue. We just need 4 more guys to make it to 30. Yay! First, let's count one more time. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. What's gonna go after it? Wait until you see. We're gonna gonna be making the number 27. We need a 2 and a 7. The colors that we have are sparkly white and sparkly gray. We're gonna make the number 2 with the color gray. Love this color. It's like a white and a black. See, it's like Oreo cookies. We're gonna make the number 7 with sparkly white.
Great!
Wow! Yes, wow! This is the number 27. We need 2 more, friends. Let's count.
Okay.
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. The next number is 28. Adina has picked the colors purple and blue to make our 28. We're going to use the color purple to make the number 2. Adina's gonna use the color blue to make the number 8. That's nice.
Good job!
This is the number 28. We use sparkly purple and sparkly blue. Let's count our numbers one more time. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. We're gonna make the number 29. We need a 2 and a 9. Dark pink and light pink to make the number 29. We're gonna use light pink to make the number 2.
Good job!
We're gonna use dark pink to make the number 9.
Beautiful.
This is the number 29. We use sparkly pink and sparkly dark pink. Yay! We need one more to make the number 30. We made it to the end, friends. We're gonna make the number 30. This is a special one because we're gonna be making it in Oreo cookie colors. number 30 in black and sprinkle white. Yay! We did all of our numbers all the way to 30. We made from 20 to 30. Let's count them one more time, friends. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Good job.
Let's go over our colors one more time. Orange, red, yellow, green, black, pink, white, dark pink, blue, white, and blue. Thank you, friends, for learning numbers today with me. Today we learned numbers 20 to 30. And sparkly Play-Doh. To watch more videos with me, Armine, and my sister Adina. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe down below.